friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 24th to the 30th. And if you celebrate, Merry Christmas. We are smack dab in the week of the holiday, and there's a lot of magic in this ad. And we're going to dissect the deals one by one and then just look at some $40 baskets as well. If you might have the digital booster, it's a multiple use booster right until January the 1st, and then a paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine. I know a lot of us aren't getting them, the one down below, but if you get it, that's $17 back on a $40 basket. So with the holiday being celebrated on a Monday, I think most Walgreens will be closed. If you live in a larger city, it might be open. But on Tuesday, December the 26th, expect that most of the Christmas merchandise will be 50% off. And then hopefully they do a very quick turnaround to move it to 80 right away. It seems like a lot of people were not shopping this Christmas. There's a lot of inventory at a lot of stores. So hopefully it hits 80 quickly. I'm predicting the 2nd. And my question for you is, are you going to be shopping on Christmas Eve? In the comments down below, if you are, leave a Santa Claus emoji, and that means you are shopping on Christmas Eve. Now, I did post a video a couple days back of last minute clearance gifts. Lots of the Christmas stuff, 30, 40, already 50% off. You might want to check out the video. I will link it at the very end. Lots of good information there. And if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed today, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is the Garnier Whole Blends or the Fructis, which is two different lines in the Garnier brand. They are 2 for $8, $3 reward when you buy 2, and then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those Garnier shampoos, $8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo or conditioner. And I believe this is going to be for both the Fructis and the Whole Blends. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Next super duper deal is with the Tresemme. We're going to look for the $6 bottles. We're going to have a 4 off 2 digital and then earn a $5 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of the $6 shampoos, that's $12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo or conditioner or mix if you wish. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, we also have 20% off of the fragrances, BOGO 50% off on fancier skincare, and then BOGO 50% off on different supplements that are the Walgreens brand. The all detergent, this is a very good deal. I think on a non-sales week, it's usually close to $9 for this. So looking at the math for this deal, grabbing one of those for $4.99, we're going to have a $1 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $3.99 out of pocket. Get back a $1 register reward, making it $2.99 for one of these alls. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We have a freebie for the Crest dental care products. They are $3. That's the ones we're looking for. And we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital and then earn a $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of those Crest mouth rinses, that's 6 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 3. Get back one $3 register reward, essentially making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Spend that Walgreens cash to earn those register rewards if that is your thing. But just an easy breezy freebie. It's what we love to see. And the Nicorette, lots of this is on clearance for $40.99, and we have a $15 digital. So if you might have these 2 boosters, that's an extra $17 back. The IBOTTA rebate is Walmart exclusive, just to note that. So grabbing one of the clearance Nicorettes, it's $40.99, and I saw it at multiple stores on clearance. Scan your 7 back when you spend 40 booster, have your digital booster loaded, subtracting that digital coupon of 15 off. You'll pay $25.99 with your debit card, get back $17 in Walgreens cash, making it $8.99 for a product that's usually like $56. And do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using 2 different boosters. Okay, so the next deal that we have is there's a lot of like senior products that's 10 back when you spend 50. or more. So you might have to go through all of them, but lots of these products are like $50 on the nose. Again, if you have these two boosters, that's an extra $17 with the 10 back. That's $27 on a $50 product. So basically, looking at that bed rail, it's $54.99. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster, have your e-booster loaded, pay $54.99 with your debit card, get back $27. It's like getting it 50% off. If you have an elderly person that might need this, or, just make your home a little safer for a senior, maybe it's time to stock up on these items. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using two different boosters with this deal, but definitely a stock up price. We're going to look at some honorable mentions. The first one goes to the Gillette. I know that last week we were getting like a $5 register reward, but that ended on the 23rd. But this one is $8 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. If possibly we get some digital coupons to go with this, and we'll figure that out on Sunday morning. This potentially could be a very good deal. We'll have to wait and see. Another deal that might be worth something is the Listerine. When you spend $15, you get $5 back. But we need digital coupons or something to go with this, because paying like $4 or $5 per or $6 per is way too much. So maybe like in a bigger spend 40 basket, possibly, get this on the cheap, but it's still a lot. The Coca-Cola is 3 for $12.99. That is the cheapest price I've seen in all year. The Nice Brand Trail Mix, $3.99, and our Doritos is 2 for $7, or like $3.50 per bag. That's a very good price point for Doritos, a product that's really jumped in price point. An IBOTTA freebie is this Wonka Magic Hat gummies. So look for that in the candy aisle. You just go and buy one of these, photograph your receipt to the Ibotta rebate app, and they will give you back $2.49. Making it free. And this is the 4-ounce bag only, a perfect stocking stuffer and so cute. And we also have a $5 Walgreens card when you buy. Usually it's two of these that are amounting to about $25. We have Ace, PlayStation, the movies, all the greatest hits for, a Christmas gift for somebody, especially the movie pass. I mean, who wouldn't love that? Okay, moving it along, guys. We have $1.99 for the Walgreens brand toilet paper, disinfectant wipes, like everything to get your house organized for the holidays. And I know a lot of you are probably hosting a ton of family. So at $1.99, I would use a bunch of Walgreens cash and call it a very good deal. And the last thing we're going to look at is the Nice Brand K-Cups. If you have a Keurig, $3.99. This is probably the cheapest price I've seen. French roast, Colombian, I think it's all the same, like, the other brands like Folgers. But $3.99, I would get a couple and use some Walgreens cash, because that's definitely a stock-up price. That is it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.